I'm not afraid of bees, but I'm always have been very anxious because of my grandson's allergy. So it's real glad to see them gone. My husband was trying to do it himself, and I didn't think that's a good idea. He's 72, he shouldn't be up on a ladder at the roof. He likes to save money, but it didn't save us anything. Probably cost us money because it took us so long to get to it.
They do get more aggressive and they do more damage, so that's why it's really important to remove it and get it taken care of.
We've had a different company in the past, but they didn't do a live removal, so I just felt bad about that. You know, I mean, obviously bees are real important for agriculture, and I have a big flower garden, and you know, they're important critters.
Once we do the removal, you'll have scout bees coming on and off. That's why it's very important that we get those areas sealed up, so if they do come, they can't get in.
I'm also very glad to get to bee proofing because this is the third time we've had this problem. Living on a canyon with a big flower garden, it's not surprising.
We use screen, we use foam, and we use silicone, very durable materials. The first thing we do is see all the entry points that bees typically use to start a hive.
I think the live bee removal cost very little bit more, and it's good for the environment, and there's no reason to kill them if you don't have to. And you guys were great.